What's up, everybody? It's been raining ever since I've been home, so out of complete boredom, I thought I'd just show off my Harbor Freight, pretty much all Harbor Freight solar panel light system. It's a budget type deal, but it works. Lights my shed and could light other things if I needed it. That's my charge controllers. Down here, my batteries. This has been set up for, I don't know, about 5 years. It's been flawless, really. I like it. This is an old charge controller. I still use it. It runs some incandescent lights, the old style Harbor Freight. The later ones are LEDs, as you can see right here. Pretty bright. Right here's a Harbor Freight inverter. I've used it a few times. I don't keep it hooked up. It's mainly for emergency. Yeah. Works pretty well. This is one of the old lights. Not as bright, but still better than nothing. I've got them hanging. Let's see. Well, let's just scoot back here. I got one here, one up here, one here, one over in this corner. Then I've got one of the older ones here, one here, and that one there. So yeah, it lights things up pretty good. It's not bad. I mean, considering, you know, a couple of times a year I'll disconnect the batteries and the solar panels and do a little topping off of the batteries, clean them up. Check out those connections. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Keep battery cleaner protector right here. Tools ready to go. So that's it. One more look at this. I know there's a bunch of reviews on YouTube, lots of videos you can watch, but like I said, I've been home from work and it won't stop raining. So it is what it is. And with that, and it's still raining. We'll catch you next time.